Welcome back. Until now, every attribute we've defined, like the student's name, has been unique to each object. These are called instance variables. But what if we need a piece of data that is shared across all objects of the class? For this, we use a static field, also known as a class variable in Python. 1. Defining the static field. A static field is defined outside of any method, directly within the class body. Here, we define school_name equals Tech University. This variable belongs to the class itself, not any single object. Every student object we create will share this exact same value. The variable name inside the constructor remains an instance variable, unique to each object. 2. Accessing static fields. You can access a static field using either the object, like s1.school_name, or the class name, like student.school_name. Since this data belongs to the class, accessing it directly through the class name is the clear and recommended practice, making it obvious that you are dealing with shared data. 3. Static versus instance variables. When we change the static field using the class name, we see that the change is immediately reflected in all existing objects, S1 and S2. This confirms that they are sharing the exact same piece of memory. In contrast, changing S1.name would only affect S1, leaving S2.name unchanged. To summarize, static fields are used for shared data, like constants or properties relevant to the class as a whole. Next, lecture 16.11. Count the number of objects. See you there.